Visa. Today I'm building a Jedi and Clone Trooper battle pack. Comes with 2 Clone Trooper and 2 Jedi. I think it's the phase 2, I think so. I'm not mistaken, or phase 1. Cause I don't watch Clone Wars. Yep. I watch Star Wars only, but not Clone Wars. So let's take a look at the back of the box. We have, I think this is a Gunship, I think so, and it looks like, you know, there's the front there, you can shoot. Okay, so let's open the box. Be careful, don't use pen knife unless you are unless you have parent with you. Do not open with pen knife. Pen knife is handier to do. Let's pull it out. Okay, let's throw this box away. And we have one bag that is full of stun guns and Jedi heads, and one bag is like hollow, just nothing. And we have an instruction manual. Who doesn't like instruction manual? Let's get start building, boy. Me, I'm going to review the Jedi Clone Trooper Battle Pack. We have 2 Clone Troopers, 2 Phase 1 Clone Troopers, and 2 Jedi. So let's take a closer look at the minifigures. The Clone Trooper, it looks okay though, but I hate the helmet design. It is better than the old one though. No, the old one is better than the new one. And I changed the gun so it look more nicer. Here is a 360 view, and the back is same as the old Clone Trooper 2005, I think so. No, 2009, yeah. And just take out the helmet. Okay, the helmet is angry clone again. This is the basic clone, but the 5 Wars battle pack is like Jango Fett. Okay, now next one is Barriss off. I changed the legs too, because the dress, the other leg look like so dumb and so big though. Yeah, she have the cape on, and the back is just, the torso is just like nothing. It's like that thingy, and he holds a blue lightsaber, and she got the hoodie. You just take it off, and she got another face behind, angry or war face, I think also angry face. Yep. And that's all for the Barriss off. Next Jedi we have Mundi. Oh shoot, sorry. Next one we have the Mundi. He comes with this this wig or head of one piece of them, and he holds of course a lightsaber. And the torso look like okay though, but he has a hair behind them also. and he has one face sight. So yeah. Okay, let's take closer look at the Republic Gunship. Okay, gonna move all these minifigures down the side. And I'm gonna zoom in. Okay, this Republic Gunship. It comes. The Republic Gunship have a window or glass on it, and you have two stun guns at the side. And there's also a here for the engine to I think this is the shoot the gunner, the blaster to shoot all those droids. And you see there's also some stun bullets down there. And it's kind of like okay though, but you can flip and flop the glass window, and the wings you can like go up until down here. Wow, or you do both of them also like that, or like that. You act as flying. Oh no, the thing come up. Whee! Or you can do it like that. Ching ching. Like double gun. Pew pew pew. Like also at the side, but I won't go for. But that was used for like. It's not that good though. But I think the battle bag is not worth it. I think it's worth it with two Jedis and two Jedis though, and two clone troopers. Yeah, that's all I have today, guys. So I will see you in my next video. Sayonara, peace out, adios.